Yeah, so I did the BIOR recruiter course. Found it great. Really enjoyed it.
So it was an online course, doing units, sort of 3 a week. It covers multiple things from kind of candidate leads to sort of client management and sort of all the bits in between.
I personally did the resourcer course, which was like 14 units on basically how to better yourself as a recruiter.
And basically it's really good for clients and candidates because it gives us the opportunity to offer the best service we can.
For me, I think it was about the interview prep and debrief. I think for my candidates especially, the prep has really helped me to kind of better prepare them for their interviews, and then the debrief has also tested their commitment throughout.
The candidate piece, managing your candidates throughout the process, also the time management.
I was the person on the other end of the phone receiving the phone calls for potential work. I'd say I've gained the knowledge to make those phone calls and inform people a little bit better than maybe some of the phone calls that I was receiving previously.
I had a mentor, and my mentor was kind of guiding me through it as well.
I can deal with things a lot better. I obviously started in recruitment only 10 months ago, and I knew absolutely nothing when I joined.
I think it's given me a little bit of confidence in terms of what I'm saying is the right sort of stuff.
There was one unit I really enjoyed about sort of controlling your mindset, and I thought that was excellent. Like when you have a bad day, how to bounce back. So I found that great.
It's just helped me manage candidates better, and now I speak to clients better. Just managing basically the whole account and myself to people a lot better.
I've been having to use one of the modules, which was managing your time management. So I'm having to use that, go right back to the basics so that I'm able to reach all of the expectations for both my clients and my candidates in delivering on the roles.